Glad you could join me today. Sometimes when I practice, I like to listen, because the sound that I make is bouncing back. It's kind of hard to explain, but these sounds you're making is kind of like a sonar thing. When you send that sound out, sometimes it reflects back to you in a way that's kind of hard to describe. You know, sometimes I think I can see with the sound from my nunchucks. Does that sound feasible? But I think I can feel with that sound. I have to get it going really well. Very steady. And then sometimes I think it comes back, it reflects off of objects, and it gives it a different sound, different reverberation. Like on a guitar, you know, the guitar reverberates the sound of the strings and makes that sound beautiful. So the sound of your nunchucks, I think, is beautiful. You know, I've seen a lot of new people who are kind of teaching me how to enjoy the nunchucks again. I think sometimes I forget to just enjoy it. Thank you for teaching me. Thank you. One guy called me a wushu master. That was kind of interesting to research that. See you guys soon. Bye.